actually is another one here on the union. We're gonna get that one too. That's the last one to do. All right, so we got the pipes cut down, pulled apart where all the leaks were, as you can see up here. There were 2 leaks here. I took all them off. And what we're gonna do is do a, we're gonna join this pipe back to this pipe. I'm gonna rethread this, put a union right here where you can get to it. Put it all back together. And then over here, we're gonna replace the union here as well. Clean the pipes up here.
Hold on, I'll be up. You sit on the porch for a minute. I'll open the front door.
Okay.
I see.
We got our first pipe here. That's gonna go there.
Oh, come on, table.
So we're gonna go ahead and get our alrighty. Oh.
And with the tools you have, it's so easy to do anything. So how did they get that train on them tracks way back there in Copper and Indian?
What's that?
The train tracks together?
Train tracks.
You know, way back there in cowboy days,
Well, I don't know.
cowboys and Indians, you know, they came out with them trains to burn wood.
Well, that's more complicated than this.
And they got it done, didn't they? Came along
Yeah.
with them trains.
They figured it out.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna
Now,
put our sealing on, nice and fresh.
nice and tight.
No, it's gonna be tight here.
Sticking good?
It will be in a minute.
Okay.
I'll go ahead and throw them in there. That's brand new thread, so we'll be in there real nice. I do it. Hand tighten it first.
Now that's thread, not thread.
So hand tighten it first, and then we tighten it more with the wrench, like so.
Who's that cat's out there? Is that your phone?
That's my phone. It has all kind of sounds to it.
The cat's out there fighting in the backyard.
Nah, it just has a lot of different sounds.
Sit the phone.
All right, here we go.
Is he getting my conversation?
All right, so I gotta stop. All right, so we got the first section in. Half the union, the other half's over here. Already on the pipe, ready to go. Got this ready to go. That pipe up there is now resealed. That's where we had that leak, 2 leaks up there. I went ahead and removed this entirely. It was unneeded because it was just a bare blank cap that went nowhere. So we just got rid of that whole leaking pipe completely. All that's gone. We don't need that anymore. So we're gonna do a straight couple from here to there to connect it back with the union. All right, and then we're gonna put a fresh union here as well. So we got all the pipes resealed, re-put together. As you can see up there. Everything's back together, resealed up. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the pressure test. I'm gonna go ahead and pump in 0.5 in to the system. All right, lock it in. Give it about 5 minutes or so. See how we do.
Shit. Excuse me. I'm good at the top of my hat.
Huh?
This little thing here.
Yeah, you gotta walk around. Yeah, thing's dangerous.
Yeah.
We're gonna have that out of the way in just a minute. All right, so final look over. All looks good. No more leaks. All looks great. Perfect. Good. Still holding at 0.5. 5 minutes now. And we're holding here, no leaks. go. Around the other side of it. Okay, it looks good.
No bubble. No bubble gum.
Nope, and it's holding perfectly at 0.5. It hasn't dropped in 5 minutes. That's a good rate sign. Yeah, it's good. All right.
We're gonna get rid of this, take care of that problem.
Everything looks great.
And this used to be a flood zone over here.
It's holding at 0.5. We've had it on there for about 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Still holding. All right, so I also put this back up, nailed it back up. So that's all good. Furnace is back on. Water tank is back on. All right, so everything's good to go.